Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify tax-exempt status documentation using GuideStar step-by-step clearly. To verify tax-exempt status documentation using GuideStar, start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for GuideStar, which is www.guidestar.org. Once the website loads, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the name of the organization you wish to verify. You can also search by the organization's EIN if you have that information. Click the search icon or press enter to proceed. Find the correct organization in the search results and click on its name. You will be directed to the organization's profile page. Scroll down to the section labeled Tax-Exempt Status. Here, you will see information regarding the organization's tax-exempt status. Look for the IRS letter and any relevant documentation listed. Take note of the effective date of the tax-exempt status. Check for the organization's 501(c)(3) designation, which confirms its eligibility for tax-deductible donations. If available, download the IRS letter for your records. Ensure that you verify any additional details required for your specific needs. If you need more information, you can explore other sections of the profile, such as financials or missions. Once you have gathered all necessary information, you can close the GuideStar tab. Now you have successfully verified the tax-exempt status of the organization using GuideStar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.